Hello, welcome to Vault. Today, I will show you 3 free AI tools through which you can earn money in 2025. Let's begin. Tool number 1, Copy.ai. Through it, you can write blogs, ads, emails in seconds. People pay dollars for content writing, so start with this AI tool and earn money. Now, tool number 2, Pictory.ai. This tool helps you generate video from text. This tool is perfect for YouTube automation, and you can also use these videos to monetize your TikTok account by posting. Now, tool number 3, Remove.bg. This tool helps in removing background only in one click. To earn money with it, sell product photos and designs online. To know about more free AI tools, so subscribe the A Vault and like video and leave a beautiful comment. I will reply in 24 hours. See you in next video.